If this is your first time making a payment from China with TransferMate, select Register a Payment. As part of the process, you will create an account for future payments. Select China from the drop-down country list and enter the tuition or housing fees exactly as stated in your offer letter. Once you've entered the full amount to be paid, press Enter or click Next, Student Details. Here, you will be presented with the various payment methods available to complete your transaction. The figure shows exactly how much you'll need to pay in your local currency, inclusive of preferential foreign exchange rates and any fees. Select the payment method you would like to use to complete the payment booking. In this example, we've selected bank transfer. Then press Next, Student Details to continue the process. You will be asked to select who is making the payment on the Student Details page. Options include student, parent of student, relative of student, or other. Additional information may be required if you're paying from a company account. Please complete all the required fields, including your student number, first and last name, and other relevant details. Please ensure to fill out your Chinese name and student national identity number at this point. Once all fields have been filled with the relevant information, click the Next Confirmation button to proceed with your transaction. On the confirmation page, you'll be asked to choose and confirm a password. Please ensure that you adhere to all password requirements when selecting a password. Confirmation of your payment will also create a student payment account for you, allowing you to track your payment status and make any future student payments throughout your educational journey. Once you have chosen a password that satisfies all the requirements, please read our terms and conditions, check the box to confirm you understand them, and then click the Save and Confirm button to complete the payment booking. Congratulations! Your payment has been successfully booked, and your account has been created. On the Payment Details page, you will be shown the agreed-upon amount of funds you need to send TransferMate, along with the bank transfer details required to complete the transaction. Please make sure to read the payment instructions on this page and prepare proof of identity, proof of payment, and payment voucher documents for upload to the linked GeoSwift platform within 24 hours after you've completed your payment. If the payment materials uploaded do not meet the requirements, your payment will be refunded. When transferring funds to the nominated TransferMate bank account, please ensure that you enter your student payment reference number and student name to avoid any payment delays. Thank you for choosing TransferMate to process your international student fees. We look forward to serving you again.